Hey guys, it's Miss Carter. I'm helping out Miss Burnett with making sure you guys understand how to use this, uh, her Google Slides. As you can see, the first thing I started to do was to rename it. So you're going to want to rename your slide activity. Then if you look, she's got some, yours won't say that. She's got some activities here where she's going to want you to type inside of it, and you're going to have to type out the preposition thing. If you click once, it just selects it, and you might accidentally delete it. Oh no, it's okay. They have this button here, undo, and it puts it right back. Or if you accidentally delete something and you need a new shape, here you go. Just draw a new one. Okay? I'll delete that one. All right, so, or you can just say insert a text box for that. That's what she uses. She's using text box here. So you can just type inside of it. And then one click and it'll delete. So on this second page here though, she's already given you the shapes that you're going to need. You just drag it and drop it over the answer. I don't even know if this is right. Probably not, because Miss Carter doesn't know prepositions very well or phrases, so don't exactly follow, but like here or further. So you can adjust them as needed carefully. All right, so you just drag it. And again, if you accidentally delete it, you can grab one of these that are up here, or you can get a shape here and put one on there. Just be careful if you grab a new one, because if I do that, it's going to fill it. And so you're going to have to say transparent. All right? So good luck on this pretty cool activity. Miss you guys. Stay safe.